It's summertime, you know what that means? Pool. Except we need to fix ours. So today we are going to be taking it apart, cleaning it out, and getting it ready for some swimming. So let's get to it. So we started off with pumping out all the dirty excess water, everything that we could. Now we're going to sweep up all the debris and then try to pressure wash, clean it out. All right, now that we got all the bigger debris out, we're gonna take the shop vac around and try to get everything else out that we can. Alright, for the next step, we'll be using my AR Blue Clean 383 electric power washer. Now I know it's not a gas powered, it's not a heavy duty one, but for the PSI that we need for cleaning this pool and for just every day around the house, I recommend this to pretty much anyone. The only thing is you got to maintain it like anything else, keep the water lines clear, bring it inside for the winter, good to go. I've had this now 3 years, it works like a charm. Let's put it to the test. All right, we got the walls done. Gonna vacuum this water out and get to the actual floors. Hopefully, we're almost there. Not too shabby. I'm gonna spread some cleaner around, get a little wet. Should be ready to fill soon. See, I'm in the pool. It is a hell of a lot better than it was when I first started. We have some staining here. I tried different chemicals, scrubbing, pressure washing, but it looks like those are stuck in it, but everything else is clean and we are ready to start filling. So let's get to that. Here's to summer 2023. 3 years later, we still have the same pool. Hardwood hangout.